We'll do the toilet seat adjustment. It's quite simple and straightforward. Most of the times, if the seat is not aligned, something like this, people will most probably shake this. I think this needs to be avoided as much as possible because eventually this becomes loose here. And this plastic and metal interface, it becomes loose and then can never finally get the proper adjustment. So the best way to do it is to open this, press it inward and lift this up. So if you see in these two, there's a metal and plastic interface. So if you keep shaking it, the plastic gets worn out or it starts stretching due to the heat and cold and it becomes very loose. So it's best to just remove this. And there's a very simple mechanism here. Just lift this out. And it's based on rubber. Loosen the screws, the two screws. So you need a plus or star screwdriver like this. Avoid using just a single minus screwdriver because then the threading of the screws becomes loose. So loosen it a bit. Then you put your seat back on that. And then you adjust. Once that is loose, you can push it back and forward. So sometimes it is in forward position and it's too much in front. So shift it back so it fits exactly here. And position the seat so that it sits nicely. Then now very carefully without moving the base, lift it out. You have to be very careful not to shift that, otherwise the position goes off. And if you notice, there's a slot here, so it can go back forward as well as turn around like this way. So then you tighten the screws. Generally I don't tighten it fully, I keep it just a bit tight so that the finer adjustment can be done after the seat is put. And that's it, it's done.